Hi, it's Andy in the Sunday Shade. Up and through the whistles, how are you? What's your Sunday day night? Quiet? Yeah, bit of gardening, bit of ready for the winter. Got the mind for the winter. Travelling my strawberries up and stuff like that for my winter. And let's see how we go. Hopefully we'll have a mild winter. I don't want a big frosty winter. I don't mind, but snow after a while. Especially if I can't get out and I can't get back in, because my drive is like that. It's a bit soapy. Alright, season wise, it's a dog's walking about in the bathroom. Hopefully you watch the head shave on Friday. This is a quick one. I was coming out, I had to do stuff. Right, I mentioned in my or I think I've mentioned before. Back from TOBS Avocado shaving cream. Underrated. Underrated. Really nice stuff. It's underrated. Got a nice sweet smell for it. Bit of avocado, especially avocado. I'm not a great avocado fan, I don't like them. Never had them. But, lovely. But it does smell. It comes in a pack. They are about 150, I think. About 150 mil. It's about £12, £13 on their site. Or you can buy it from good retailers. Right, let's get that on here. Just that pack. I've used the sorry that. I've used the bowl for one. But hey. Oh, I'm sorry, the choice this week was the what's the sauce? Sorry, that's not what it was then. I'm not doing so well, am I? It's Sunday, look at this bit. I had breakfast yet. What's your breakfast of choice? Full English, croissant. You can't see a toast. Yeah. I've had croissant for years. Not that I don't eat them, just and then. Right, and today's choice of razor is going to be the 3-piece razor from, it's not a branded name, so I don't know where it came from, but I got it from one of my YouTube subscribers, so thank you very much on that. I think I've mentioned him before. So, I'm going to use a Astra blade, and I've been for a while, so let's have a look. So it also comes with a plastic insert to keep it fresh. So cool. Right. This is my this. And I let my fingers cut and bleed it a bit. It's a 3-piece, but it's a bottom bit. And there's actually, with that Astra blade, there's no hangover. So, there you go. Hopefully I haven't cut myself in. Probably have, but never mind, there. But if I'm the one, I'll cut myself. Love that was a new day. What is that this morning? What was those? What was those put in that way? As I say, it is underrated the Yeah, the hard soap from Taylor's. It's one of those soaps that I won't buy. No, it's really good actually. What traffic we got up here this morning. Might let them pass. Oh gosh. This is my off on that a bit. Right. That might be a boy's move. If it's second time. Let's see if I've got enough. Yeah, I've got enough. So yeah. What have been? Oh, I really like the smell. See that chance and you're ever in London? Can I have a look at their shop? Their shop is supposed to be really good. I've yet to go in there. There's a YouTuber that's been in there and filmed as well. So the path that I'm going up. Yeah. More so that I filmed in there. So have a look at his as well. I can't remember if it was off the top of my head. If I remember, I'll put a link up for you at the bottom. But yeah. It went round the few, I think. There's a couple of it wasn't out of filming. Which I think is a shame sometimes. I should embrace the I should embrace the YouTuber. But something to do with the That, boys and girls, is that aside on that. The other sweetness for that as well, like moisturiser, nice feel when you're cutting a little pill. Right, I'll be back in one second. I'll go with that now. Right. I'm going to use some of that on my chops. It's Proraso. Helps the it comes out as a deal. Or it's a more of this. I do like it though. Right. It's a bit like that glue that it's on the finger. It's really nice. Right. I love the smell of it. I love the smell of it. What else am I doing with that? I can't admit to but let's use some of that. That's average. Quite nice. I don't need a lot of that either. Oh, that's got a nice scent to it. That's got not a person. It's not a man. It's a person. But a manly person. It's not a horrible one. You're like, ooh. And so it's something like £2. Something like that ain't bad. Not bad at all. I think they do a sizing side as well. If I'm around and I've got a bit, I'll pick some up. Put whatever else I've got up as well. And my aftershave of choice today is going to be Addiction by Rolls and Addiction. Poundland. As well as that Poundland stuff, it is, ain't bad. Oh, there's a little bit on it, like that. Doesn't last long with the flat on the body, it lasts about maybe 2 hours. But I'm going out Sunday and out for a Sunday walk with someone, so hopefully they'll smell that. Where's the rest of them? But yeah, no, I quite like that. It works well with avocado. Right, let's run through what we did. Unbranded razor from one of my YouTubers, and it had a branded Astra blade in it, as you can see. Taser Bomb Sweet, and their avocado works well. Brush the choice was the wilkinson black original. I was going to put some stuff on my face. For cuts that I've cut myself with, Proraso gel. There is moisturiser with some Aldi, really nice stuff. Don't dismiss that either. You come across it. I think Lidl's do it as well, but I got that from Aldi. Don't dismiss it, it's nice stuff. And then we had a bit of some rolls. And they put it up from poundland, 99p. It was just a 99p shop, so £5 just put it with an Astra blade. And we will put on BullDog. Some beard oil. We'll put it on today. Don't need a lot of that either. Keep it all nice and a bit long actually. There you go. That's not a nice scent to it as well. It's nice like the lavender jelly. Smells like that, or scent to it. I do like that. Right. That, ladies and gentlemen, is my size. That's the Sunday size. Hope you've enjoyed. Thanks again for subscribing. If you haven't already, subscribe. I think that's right. Subscribe. I can't do it without you. I love talking to you guys when you comment or put a thumbs up or something. It's great. I like doing these. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do these. I haven't hit the 300 yet. I'd like to hit that. I know I've got over 50. I've been doing something for the 50th show, but with everything else that's going on in my life, I couldn't get around doing it. So if I hit 100 shows, I'll do something. I'll do 100 shows, 100 anniversary shows. 50, I think it's about 55 videos now. I think that's about 4 things by the time it's our way. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, as I say, ring the bell for notifications, and put a heart. I don't know what it means, but if you put a heart, it means something like that. It was without the ribbons and things like that. I think it's what I've used below. So safe, shaving should be fun, not sure. I've been Andy from Clean the Whiskers. I'll see you soon. Ta-ra.